If you've ever been overlooked at work, this episode will help you rebuild your confidence from the inside out without pretending you're fine. Being overlooked at work can feel like a deep emotional bruise, especially for women over 40 who've spent decades building wisdom, skill, and resilience. Today, we're talking about a combination of skills to help you rebuild confidence from the inside out. We'll talk about wise mind, self validation, and values. So, when you're overlooked at work, your emotion mind might say, I'm not valued. I must not be good enough. And your reasonable mind might say, it's not personal. There were other factors. But wise mind synthesizes both states of mind and says this: my feelings are valid, and I can take a breath, then make a wise choice about my next step. Now, to access your wise mind, pause, breathe, and ask yourself, what is true and helpful for me right now? This leads you to think about self validating statements. And when you self validate, you acknowledge your emotional experience without minimizing it and rebuild your confidence. Here are some examples of what you might say to yourself. It makes sense to me that I feel hurt by what just happened. My work mattered. It was relevant, even if it wasn't recognized. I'm allowed to feel disappointed and I can still move forward. Self validation is not self pity, it's another form of self respect. When external recognition is missing, your values can become your compass and anchor you in your truth. Ask yourself, how do I want to be present in this moment? What matters to me more than their decision? What action aligns with my values? Now, some examples of values based actions might look like this: ask for feedback, document your successes, set a boundary, advocate for your next opportunity, or simply choose not to shrink. Confidence grows when your actions match your values, not when others notice you. Being overlooked doesn't define your worth. Your confidence is built on your alignment with your values, your wise mind, and your ability to validate your own experience. You are not invisible. You're becoming more resilient and you are learning how to thrive at work, no matter what challenges exist there. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you again soon. Please take care out there. Bye bye now.